What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing the axle on the S8 because if you guys do not know, it's a piece of crap. That's probably because 2 years ago or 2 winters ago, I was getting ready to come up to a turn that almost turned like 180 and just kept sliding, and then I hit the curb and forced the whole wheel kind of back a little bit. It didn't like hit the fender or anything. It wasn't going crazy or anything, but I pushed it back a little bit, bent the control arm, so fixed the control arm, and then the axle has kind of always been weird since. I replaced it once, but I guess I replaced it with another bad axle. So we're here again today to try to get it fixed. But before I do that, I do want to show you guys like what it's doing and what it sounds like. I'm sure you've heard it in previous videos, like the little clicks and the pops that it makes. Just not good. So yeah, I will try to show you guys. Anyways, I think you get the hint. So yes, we're going to try to replace this. I've got it pulled up on my computer on how to do it with Elsa Pro. So yeah, it's just time to read the procedure and get it done. Obviously, first step, take the axle bolt out, which is huge, but it's just time to go ahead and pop this sucker loose while the car's on the ground, so that way the wheel doesn't just spin in place, so I can actually break it. So all right, oh, she's loose, as you can see. So now it's time to jack the car up and get it on. The axle looks pretty similar to the old one, which is up in there. Anyways, got the car jacked up. So now it's time to get a bunch of other crap off. I know we have to disconnect this bolt out of here, which just pinches these together and holds those arms in. So I'll just have to unpinch that and then pop those arms out. And then I want to say I should move forward enough to just go ahead and pop this out. We'll pop those bolts out up in there and we should be good to go. So yeah, let's get to it. So this is what it says, the order that we need to do. Pull off center cap, remove hex bolt for drive axle, did that. Raise the vehicle, did that. Remove wheel, removed the hex bolt, which I did. It's gone, it's right there. Remove. So it wants me to disconnect the bolts inside, like where it connects to the transmission up in there. Right up in there, focus. Up there, right in there. But I'm gonna start by trying to remove this or pop these arms out, because I think, well, that's just the order I think I'm gonna do it. And then it says remove wiring for ABS wheel speed sensor from bracket. Pull it out, and then it says to do that anyways. And loosen that nut. So we're gonna start with that and see where that gets us. So yeah. know, it's getting dark. But it's starting to come out, so I'm starting to get it there. So I'm gonna keep working on this, and then I'm gonna pop these bad boys out. Okay, well, 19 hours later, and I got it off, and I didn't chew it up too terribly bad at all. It's still in relatively alright shape. Anyways, these control arms should pop out now, and we can get going now that it is dark. Okay, so control arm should just pop out. Now it's all loose. Finally. So control arms just popped out. Nice and easy. Now this whole knuckle's loose. It's just about getting these bolts up in here, which look like they are, I don't know, I'll get back when I find the bit. Well, you guys, almost 11 o'clock, and I should have known that this was gonna turn into a much bigger project. Family's sleeping, so I gotta be kind of quiet, but I ran into the, you know, trying to get the axle off the flange on the transmission, and it's a triple square socket, which I don't have. I've got, you know, your regular 6-point, but I don't have a 12-point, you know, or a triple square. So I guess the car stays half in, half out tonight, and we'll pick up on this bright early in the morning and try to get it all back together, and then we can get it back on the ground. And today's actually day, well, yeah, this video actually, I'm getting the wheels back, so I may or may not put them on, but you guys will at least get to see them, because, well, it's been a while and I'm pretty stoked. But I also got ceramic coating coming too, and I would like to ceramic coat those before I put them on the car. And I also would like to get under here, you know, on all these suspension and stuff, and get it cleaned, you know, degreased down and just cleaned. I kind of cleaned the front of the car without the bumper on and everything. And now that it's not leaking anything, I would like to really thoroughly clean this car, and then get the belly pan back on. Just get the car all back together. But anyways, I'm rambling on. But yeah, in the morning I'll go and get triple point sockets, which I'm gonna need anyways for work and other work on this car and my A4. So yeah, I will see you guys in the morning, and we will get going on this. So good night. All right guys, what's up? We're back again this morning. Went ahead and went to O'Reilly's and picked up a 4-pack of these triple squares. And I also got this, which is for a different video. I don't know if the video is gonna be released before or after this one, but I got the filler that I'm going to coat the bottom of those balance in to fix all those scrapes on the bottom, and also go over all the cracks with, just so I can make sure that it's gonna be steady to go back on the car before I wrap it. So yeah, I picked that up. That's gonna be something I probably do later today if I can get this finished up. But yeah, I guess without further ado, let's go ahead and try to get this finished and move on. Alrighty, there she is. There's the hole. That took so long, way longer than needed.